We're in the BI Platform studio, and I'm speaking with John O'Brien. John, you will be delivering a presentation on our conference in March, the Data Warehousing and BI Summit, entitled Building a Business-Driven Roadmap for Modern Cloud Data Architecture. Can you briefly explain the overall purpose of this session?
Yes, the purpose is really to help companies focus on aligning their architecture deployment, their implementation. So it's obviously such an undertaking to modernize your architecture that we need to prioritize how we want to do it. And the best way to prioritize architecture and strategy is really for alignment to the business. So we go through a four-step process for companies in which to, understand and translate the business strategy, how to align analytics with that, and then use that as the way to prioritize architecture implementations, all the interdependencies in the ecosystem. So architecture isn't something IT goes off and does. It's really something that is business driven.
Yeah, okay. And can you briefly walk us through the topics that you will be covering during the session?
Yeah, so the topic will really go through our process. We'll break it down into showing examples and both from our research and our client work on how to talk to the business, how to really observe and witness analytic strategies that support the business strategies. And then we do that linkage and that alignment between the analytics that they need and analytic capabilities with our analytics capability framework. And then from there, companies have really found that useful in planning their modern data architecture. And then from there, of course, their modern data infrastructure. So the physical piece is still separate from a long-standing modern data architecture itself. So we will walk through each one of those steps and give the attendees the ability to think and look at things differently. And we've seen that this just helps everything kind of fall into place and avoid this overwhelming feeling that you're trying to boil the ocean with architecture.
Okay, well, thank you very much, John. Looking forward to it.